Okay, we're going to try to go through about 20 practice problems for your quiz on Friday. These are from a same bank of questions that we pulled the questions for the test, so they might not be identical, but they should be similar. And this test is primarily going to be on finding the constant of proportionality, or K, or M, or the unit rate. All those things we said were the same in tables, graphs, and equations. So let's look at this one. Look at the lines in the grid below. And the question reads, which line represents a proportional relationship? Well, hopefully you remember back from all of our various discussions over the last week and a half or so that in order to be a proportion, a point must pass through the origin, or 0, 0. Right there. It's kind of hard to get it there. Anyway, and the only line that does that in this particular graph is line B, and that's how you would solve that one. Okay. Let's try another one. All right, this one says, Albert wants to buy some pens. He is comparing 4 different packs of pens. The number of pens in each pack and the cost of the pack is shown in the table. All right, so pack 1, 4 pens cost $4.80. So without too much thinking about it, you should be able to tell that that means each pen costs $1.20. Oops, doesn't want to cooperate. $1.20. I don't know what the heck it's doing. Try this. $1.20. All right, this one, 11 pens is $8.80, means each pen is 88 cents. 4 pens is $3.60, means each pen is 90 cents. And 9 pens is $10.80. I think 9 times 12 is 108. Is that right? Yeah. So that means each one of these is going to be $1.20. It says, which 2 packs of pens have the same cost? Well, it looks like, from just finding the unit rate for all 4 of those, that it's pack 1 and pack 4, which is answer D. So to solve this one, we just found the unit rate, the price per pen for all 4 packs. Let's try another one. Dante bought 15 pounds of metal for $36. Which purchase would have the same cost per pound as Dante's purchase? So we always put money on top. 36 over 15. Let's see. One way we can do this is to reduce. Let's reduce it. If I divide both of these by 3, I'm going to get 12/5. 5 for $12. Let's see if that helps. Well, here we go. 5 pounds of metal for $12. So these are equivalent ratios. So there's your answer. That's one way of doing it. Another way you could have done it, although I don't think you're going to have calculators for this test, is to find the unit rate per pound and then to test the unit rate per pound for A, B, C, and D. But without a calculator, this is the next best way to do it. And the final one for this video, the table of values below represents a proportional relationship. So that means if I had a 0x, I would also have to have a 0y. So let's see what we do know. What is the value of the missing number? Well, the safest way to do this is to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 and find out what our unit rate is, what's happening over the line. All right, so let's make this 1, 2, 1, 2. 14 minus 7 over 4 minus 2 equals 7 over 2. 7/2, which is also 3 1/2, or 3.5. So let's see if that works. 0 times 3.5 is 0. True. 2 times 3.5 is 7. True. 3.5 times 4, 12, 13, 14 is 14. True. All right, so now we need to know what is 35 divided by 3.5. Got to move that over, got to move that over. So it looks like the answer is B, 10. All right, got 4 questions done. We'll do the next video in a minute.